Happy holidays, everybody. um, Basketball lesson 5. All right, so we're going to tie in fitness components that we've talked about all the way since you were in elementary school to the sports that we've covered this year, basketball and golf. But I want to show you a little trick if you haven't figured it out already. So let's say you're in this class right here and you select that as your course and you open up your Schoology page. If you're in my list, it's going to open right to your announcements and updates, and you should be checking this frequently. If not, every other day, or at least the times that you're in class, and at least once a week. Also, clicking materials, this is where we're going to list all of our lessons. So if you need a basketball lesson, you click in here, and you got lessons 1 through 4, and we're doing lesson number 5 right now, so that'll be in there shortly. All right, so we're going to go back. And in this particular bell ringers for your essential learnings, if you click this link, it's going to open a page, all right, that has every single bell ringer we've ever covered in it. All right, if it doesn't open within Schoology the first time, remember you can always just click this open outside of Schoology button and it'll open it up. And that works for a lot of different types of docs, slides, sheets, etc. All right, so I'm going to skip all the way down to the end. And you see there's a lot of stuff in here for golf and Frisbee and starting up basketball and the things you need to know when we did to the second quarter test there. And we're getting all the way down here to the end, and you can see Mr. Hogan pasted in this fit table. And it has on top the 5 components of fitness. And so today we did a brief review with the kids in class, and we talked about flexibility and its purpose. Flexibility is an everyday thing. The intensity is light. And it's basically the time you need to warm up and get your body prepared. Here's some examples of exercise for flexibility. And you use flexibility for range of motion and injury prevention. So it's always a good thing to be working on your flexibility. Muscular strength. So this is something where it's maximum effort, really close to your maximum effort, and short amount of reps or short amount of time that you're doing it. So sprinting 50 yards, that's muscular strength. Jumping as high as you can to get a rebound in basketball, that's muscular strength. Going in the weight room and doing 3 sets of 10 reps with a heavy weight on the bar, that's muscular strength. Agility, that's high intensity and medium intensity activity, but you're always changing directions. So anytime you're defending someone one-on-one, or you have the basketball and you're changing directions to try to get space, that's agility, changing directions while you're moving. Cardio, okay, use cardio in 2 ways. One, to train cardio for a healthy heart, and that's when you're working at your target heart rate for a long time. But also, if you're in good cardiovascular shape, your body recovers from sprinting and high-intensity activities faster. So it's important that you're training cardio so your body can recover quicker. And that also helps you recover from muscular endurance type activities where your muscles are burning. So if you're looking in the weight room with muscular endurance, medium to heavy weight, more reps, okay? And you're getting that burn in your muscles where your muscles don't stop working, but it really burns to continue to work. If you're running outside, you're running almost as hard as you can. And now we're talking about a full lap around the track, and the muscles in your legs are really just burning pretty good. So they all apply to every sport. And depending on the sport that or activity that you're focused on, you may spend more time in 1 or 2 of these departments than you would in the other ones. But we will get more specific about how these apply to basketball and golf in the next lesson. But this lesson was more of just a review so that you can recognize the 5 components and the basics of them.